I think this is what most people actually want to know about Temu Free Gift. Can you get rewards without spending a lot of money? Because the second people hear free gifts, they assume there's a catch, like you'll end up spending way more than the rewards are worth. And honestly, sometimes it can feel like that. So I wanted to figure out if there was a smarter way to use the system, not how to get everything free instantly, just how to avoid wasting money while still making progress. At first, I used Temu normally, opened the app, looked around, clicked random offers, and honestly, it felt messy. Too many things happening at once. That's when I realized the biggest mistake. Most people enter the system with no plan because Temu is constantly trying to push bigger offers, more items, more spending, and if you keep clicking everything, it adds up fast. So I changed the way I approached it. Instead of browsing normally, I entered through the promotion first. That immediately made the free gift system easier to understand. Then I stopped focusing on expensive items. That's another mistake people make. They go straight for the biggest rewards, which usually takes much longer. Instead, I tested smaller value items first, and honestly, the progress felt much smoother. I also noticed something else. When I followed the system slowly, instead of rushing through everything, the app started giving better offers over time. Now let's keep this real. Can you still end up spending money? Yeah, sometimes, especially if you keep chasing every deal. But if you approach it carefully, focus on smaller rewards first, and avoid random spending, the system feels much more manageable. That's the difference. Not free with zero effort, but smarter without overspending. So if you tried this, what would you go for first? Small, easy rewards or big, risky ones?